Well, what do we have here? I'm in a little desk area, a little den or study, you might say. And here's the light fixture that was up here. And the globe has broken years ago, and I'm not sure what kind fixes that. And we made the corporate decision of changing that out. This is what you see. That's it. We wanted something a little bit nicer than that, so this is what we got at the store. Kaboom. I'm going to put that up there. Hampton Bay. Got this at my favorite hardware store, the Home Depot. Hey, next time you go to Home Depot, look at the sign. You know what? You know how most people say it? They say Home Depot. Well, it's called the Home Depot. Check that out next time. So every time I write Home Depot, I always have to remember to write the Home Depot at the beginning of it. So anyways, this is the light fixture we're going to put. If you want to watch how I do that, stick around. Now here's the interesting thing I want you to realize. You see the ceiling? It's got that cheese grate type ceiling, the cottage cheese ceiling, and that trim around there is pushed right up against it. And my thought is that they've painted this ceiling years ago, and it's probably going to be a different color underneath this trim. I'm going to have to be careful when I take that out. I'm going to kind of score it lightly around the edges with a sheetrock, sheetrock knife, and there's just two little screws up there. You see them right there? There's one there and one over there, and then it slips out of place, and then I should be able to pull that straight down, and then the wiring's on the back side, the harness, the wire nets and stuff. And so I measured that. That was almost 11 inches in diameter. So when I went to the store, I was really careful about that, because you can get all kinds of light fixtures with different bases. This one happens to be 11 inches. It says 11.4 inches wide by 5.9 inches high. So see, I checked that. So I know that this, if I take that off really carefully, that is going to cover up anything up underneath there, because I sure hate to put something smaller than that and then find out the ceiling underneath that is going to be discolored. I'm sure it's going to be discolored even if they have not painted this ceiling before, and they might have had to flatten out some of the cottage cheese spray texture up there. And you put something smaller, then all of a sudden, hello, it looks like a mess up there, and somebody says, oh yeah, doesn't that look good? Yeah, VideoJoe did that. Doesn't that look good? And they're thinking, oh yeah, that looks like crap. You can see all the way around the edge. What's he going to do with that? He's long gone. He's taken his money and left the building. Well, I don't want that to happen to you, so make sure you check stuff out like that. Yeah, if I make any mistakes on this, you're going to see it, because I've got it zoomed in, and hopefully it's going to come down okay. And usually these only have 2 screws, and oh, you know what? This is not a Phillips screwdriver, it's a standard. So I'm going to have to go get that screwdriver and be right back.